All right, we are joined today by 2022 Living Benefits Ambassador Morgan Marx. Morgan was nominated by her peers to serve as a Living Benefits Ambassador during Living Benefits Awareness Month, which is something that Alliance Group puts on every year, which is really all about spreading awareness about this new kind of life insurance called Living Benefits. Morgan, as an ambassador, why don't you let all of us know what are living benefits? What are these living benefits features on a life insurance policy that everyone needs to be aware of?
Yeah, so I think when we think about life insurance, we're really thinking about death insurance, if I can put it that way. These are benefits that usually you can only use, not you, but are to the benefit of your heirs, right? So you have no benefit during your lifetime, and it's only passed on after your passing. And so the idea of living benefits, there is chronic illness that you can use if you get sick along the way. There is critical illness for stroke, heart attack, cancer. We've all been impacted by these things.
Yeah, those are the big three.
Those are the big three, yeah. And then there's also things that are out of our control, like critical injury, an accident, a car accident that, nobody can plan for, nobody can predict when it happens. And then also terminal illness. So those are the four key benefits of a life insurance with living benefits policy that you can use while you're still living to help you either get better, your family can benefit from it. It's not life insurance that is only used upon your passing.
Right. So it goes from life insurance that only pays out if you die, traditional life insurance, or as you would refer to it, death insurance,
yes,
to life insurance that you don't have to die to use, life insurance that covers you exactly the same way if you pass away and your family the same way if you pass away, but adds in for free the ability for you to get access to that money yourself if you are seriously sick or injured. Is that a fair summary of that?
Absolutely.
So a lot of people don't know that this exists, which is why Living Benefits Awareness Month and the Living Benefit Ambassador position exists, right? Because most Americans have never heard of this and don't realize that they can get it at the same cost as their traditional life insurance policy that only pays out when they die.
That's right. And I'll be the first to admit that as an industry as a whole, we are really bad at informing the consumer and clients about all of the things that are available to them. Mm-hmm. So I am absolutely thrilled to be, nominated and chosen as a Living Benefits Ambassador, not just for the month of January, but all the time, because I feel like it is our jobs and our duty to educate our communities and create this awareness that this is out there and it is an option for anybody who, may want to be protecting their family, not just from a death protection perspective, mm-hmm. but a protection along the way.
All the things that can happen. Death isn't the only thing that you need to worry about that's going to impact your family financially. There's also critical illness, chronic illness, terminal illness, all of those things covered by living benefits. And again, the big point here, Morgan, that you pointed out is these living benefits policies don't cost more than the average, than the old traditional life insurance. They can be got at the same price, and that's what people need to know. Morgan, thank you so much for joining us. Congratulations again on being nominated by your peers.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely. And if you guys have any questions about living benefits, Morgan Marx is the one to get in touch with.